Yeah, welcome back. On our next class, we talk about text formatting and heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and some other stuff like that. Now, today we'll be talking about hypertext. So, like for example, we have a page here called assignment. So when we close it here, we just have this on our assignment. Then let's just have something here. This is our assignment. We click here and you just write. Let us say this is. Sorry, let's add the h1. Say this is our assignment page, and we click on save. So we want to talk about hyperlinks now. We want to talk about hyperlink. So hyperlink is or some people call it what is it called? Some people actually call it anchor. Yeah, anchor. So it is called hyperlink, and some people call it anchor. Just like this. Let me write it here so that you can understand. Let's go back to our index, which is here, and we are back to our index. This is what it means. So it is called hyperlinks, or you can call it anchor. So it's the ability of linking one page to another. And then we have internal anchor or internal hyperlink, and we have external hyperlink. So today we'll be talking about both of them together in our class. Sorry, let me try to connect with my internet access as we move on. Let me text my internet access probably. Let me see if it's working or not, so that I don't know. Okay, good, it's working. So now we first of all need to talk about the external hyperlink. Now we want, let me just go to the top of the page, and this is the top of the page, and the and if you want to add an hyperlink, you probably need to write something like a mint, just a. We click here to tell you what it means, design elements and ref attribute. So you now write href is telling you that which the h reference, the hyperlink reference, what page are you referencing on your hyperlink? Like when they click, where are they going to? Let's say we want to write to https://google.com, that whenever they click here to go to google.com, and as I close here, it handed it for me. Whatever things you want your user to see is what will be here. Hmm? Your user will not see this. What you write here is what your user will see. But when your user click on what you write here, they are going to be redirected here. Let's say go to Google, and let's say you can see go to Google here. Let me add a break so that you can differentiate between these guys and what we are doing. Yeah. Okay, good. You can see go to Google here, and when we click here, probably let's open a new tab, and it's definitely going to take us to google.com, because this is what the user are saying, go to Google, which is this, and we have told them that whenever they click here, it will take them here, which is https the double forward slash google.com. You understand? And it took them here. Probably wanted to take them to, let's shoot this to demarcate them. Probably wanted to take them to Facebook as well. We say a href, I'll do quote is equals to quote, then we now write https, that is the protocol, then we now write facebook.com, then we now can say that go to Facebook, we click on save, and when we come back here, we see go to Facebook. When we right click and go here, you see that it took us to facebook.com. So that is what we call external link. External linking is when you are linking a particular external website inside your website, or you want someone to go to another website inside your website. Now if you want to check where link is heading to, you take your cursor to this heading, and whenever I take my cursor to this heading, please check here, because you can't see my finger. Just check at the extreme edge like this. Check at the extreme edge. As I take it to Google, you see that extreme edge that says you check. You see something like https wherever google.com. That's how to know where the link is going to when you click. When I take my cursor here, check this extreme edge. Be checking here when I click it there. you can see it wrote https://facebook.com. It's telling me where the particular link is going to. You understand what I mean? So let's now talk about internal hyperlink or internal anchor. That is, internal anchor or internal hyperlink means linking one page to another in between your website, like this, trying to link one page to another into our website. And again, this external hyperlink is usually used to link you to, probably say, maybe say, add me on Facebook. So you are probably going to add your Facebook username here, slash, my own is Aquatech Online, and when you save and I come here, you can see, right, add me on Facebook. When I click here, it's going to take anybody that click here from my website to my Facebook page. You can see, let it load finish, you can see this is my Facebook page. So it will take you to my Facebook page. So that's why I write add on my Facebook. That's why I put the part called Aquatech Online. That's my Facebook username. So when you select facebook.com/aquatech online, they take you to my distance. So it's a way of directing some people to my website. Probably I designed for a client and I want people to know that I designed. I can say, this website is designed by Aquatech. So when they click on this Aquatech, it will take them here. So whoever I want to give me another project will probably find me here, add me as friend, and send me a DM so we could talk about businesses. So that is how most of all these stuff are done on major websites. So let's add a break, and let's add another break. So let's add another anchor in here. Another anchor we want to add the href, and we have this page here called assignment.html. So we want it to link to assignment. Sorry, double S. Is equals to, you can even see, to bring it out for you, assignment.html. When you click it, then you're going to close it like this. It's going to end it for you by itself here. You can just say assignment. Maybe you want it that whenever you have all your assignment here, and when they click here, it will go to assignment. When I take my cursor here, you check where it's going to. You're going to slash assignment.html. So when I open this in a new tab, click, it take me to assignment.html. This is our assignment page. That's exactly what we have here. So let's now imagine from this assignment now, I want it to take us back home. We just add an hyperlink href. They say, what is the name of our home? It's called index.html, right? So you just add index.html. Whatever page is going to is what you are going to write here, and just end it here and say, probably say, go back home. This is what the user will see. So you have to let them understand where they are going to go back home. So when they click here, it's taking them here. When I click here, it takes them back to the home. When they click here, it's taking them to this assignment page. So that is exactly, if you have more pages, it's going to take you that particular place that you are going to. Just like click here, take it here, click here, take it here, because we have link here to the home and we have link here to the assignment. You see, you can take it just like this. So that's how most of all these hyperlinks on the different websites that you see are being done. When you click here, you go to about us, contact us, wherever. So that is how exactly how that works. So that is everything about hyperlink for you. And yeah, there's a particular dead link that is to be, probably you are writing your code and you don't want it to go to anywhere right now. So you just write href, and you just say probably say let's say probably go to okay, you just write hash is not going anywhere. You just say home. Let's just write home and we save, and this is our home. When we click on it, it's not going anywhere. It's just going to be there. Probably you are writing the code of a website and you are not sure where this page is going yet. You can just still add hash to it temporarily, so it's going to be there and it's not going anywhere. It's just going to be on the same website. I hope you understand. So that is it. So you just put this hash. It's called a dead link. You want to dead a link that is not going anywhere. Probably this one is going to Facebook before and you don't want it to go anywhere. you probably just need to add hash. When you save, when you click on it, it's not going anywhere. You have dead the link. You understand? It's not going anywhere anymore. So that is how that works. I don't know, let me just use this medium to talk about fragment. I think someone asked about maybe probably I think Benjamin asked about probably I need to explain a bit about the fragments of a thing more. So let's imagine we have let's see at this bottom, let's say we have h1 and it said this is about us. When we save, you understand, when we save and we now add a paragraph, there's something called lorem. Lorem is a particular effect that will help you generate random text. Probably you don't know what to write here, I just want it to have effect. When I just write lorem, it will generate a random text for you, so you can copy and copy more depending on how many text you want. So when I save, it's just going to give me this random text. I hope you understand. So probably I still need more text here. I can still copy. You can see I have this here. So I want to take another one. Probably let me copy this from up to here, and I want to take this as this is contact us. When you click, this is about us, this is the heading, and we have a paragraph, just a text, just a random text, and this contact us. Probably we want, when someone click on about us here, bah, to take them here. When they click on contact us there, bah, to take them here. So this is what we are going to do. It is called fragment. Like I said, let me spell it here so that you can know. That is fragment. I've explained it in our first video. If you take note, probably you should go to the first video and see. So this fragment now, we now want to link it probably here, or let's say about us. You know, this is a dead link. Let's copy it and still paste it here. So we have about us, and let's say contact us. So we want it in a way that whenever we click on this about us, it should take us here. About us here. Whenever we click on this contact us, it should take us to this contact us here. That's what we want to do right now. So there is something called attribute. That's what I'm going to explain extensively on my next video. So now we are going to add an attribute to this heading. So we come here and click on and write id attribute, and the value is going to be probably hash. Probably we write about to save. Let's copy this same thing here, and probably want to do contact. Just say contacts, wrote contact, I will say save. Abi. So what we are going to do is, you know, the first one we write an id. Whenever I want to use write an id is hash. In most cases, when we get to CSS, you understand our concept very well. So just read this on for tutorial purpose right now, because I just want to do this right now because we are in the hyperlinks lesson. So when we leave hyperlink, I may not remember to talk about it anymore. So about, we just write hash about, and this contact, we just write hash contact, because contact hash, because this hash means id. If you check this place, we write id about, so it's going to be hash about here. So this place we write id is equals to contact, so you're going to write hash contact. When we save, I will come to our page. When we click on about us, bam, it will come here. This is about us. Well, you now go here and still click on, bam, it will take us to this is this contact us. So you can see here that is the link. As we link it here, you can see there. It's right the hash. So that is exactly how we work. and probably we can add another link here that will just click back, go back to page. It will take us back to this front page. You understand? So that is how fragments work in hyperlinking. So we have talked about external hyperlink, we have talked about internal hyperlinks, and we talk about fragment hyperlinking. I hope you understand. So this fragment hyperlinking is mostly used when they want to do one page website. You see some pages that every information you need is inside a one page. So when you click here, it takes you to about us, click here, take you to this, click here, take you to this. So that's exactly how it works. So thank you very much for listening. So we'll be before we go to the next thing. So your assignment is try to do an external hyperlink and internal hyperlink, then a fragment hyperlink, and submit before we move to the next class. Thank you.